This is Jets Done Extreme. My name is Kyle, and we are about to kick things into H2 Overdrive as you meet some of the world's best professional freestyle jet ski riders. So are you ready, SeaWorld? I know it's cold, guys, but come on, are you ready? All right, then let's do this. But now let's meet the team. So on your right, hitting the slide rail, we have former pro motocrosser Hale Beauchamp, ex-Games gold medalist John Cook, five-time Australian surf title winner Troy Rafferty, and Big Air and Brick Pro winner Mitchell Brady. Together, they are Team Jets Done Extreme. So come on, SeaWorld, make some noise for the boys! Freestyle jet skiing, it's one of the hottest sports in the world right now, and it was pioneered as far back as the 1980s, right out of the US. So what we're going to do now is take a step back in time and show you guys just what the sport was all about 30 years ago with some real old school freestyle jet skiing. Yeah, the boys kick things off with 360 tailspin. Now,
and I was like,
it's not just about time, guys. It's also about maximum trick and maximum depth. Here the boys go for 180 flat spin.
wow. Oh, wow.
Now, the skis you're looking at just there, they weigh over 180 kilos. They're no easy ski to throw around. Check that out. Submarines, we call that move. Now, back in the day, it was also about a bit of showing off, so keep your eyes on Mitchell Brady over to your left, as he's going to jump on the front of that jet ski and do a backwards barefoot. Let's see it, Brad! Check it out!
Oh my God!
Those things are hard to grab the right way around. Here goes Troy Rafferty, he lines up that super ramp. He goes to massive air. Alright boys, bring it in. There's only one way to say goodbye to the old school, and that's with a fountain. Let's see it, boys! That's what I'm talking about. What do you say, SeaWorld, for our old school blue ski team? Yay! Troy Rafferty and Mitchell Brady. Nice way to finish things up, boys. You stick around, you two. We're going to need you both a bit later.
Did he wave at you?
We waved at everyone.
Now, fast forward 30 years to today,